The Chancellor had already warned us beforehand that today's spring statement would be a low-key event. I think low-key is a bit of an understatement. I think the best you can say about this is that it was an attempted party political broadcast for the Labour Party, and it failed at that as well. There was nothing new in the Chancellor's spring statement today for the people of Wales, and that is particularly true of our small and medium-sized businesses who are struggling with costs at present. Ahead of today's spring statement, Plaid Cymru had called on the Chancellor to help small businesses with rising energy costs and with rising costs of employment. But of course we saw no commitment whatsoever from the government on those fronts. And this of course in the background of terrible events now in the Middle East with rising costs of energy and real sense of anxiety about where the economy is going to go. We anticipate this is going to hit Welsh businesses and households especially hard, and the Chancellor just cannot expect small businesses to shoulder these costs and cope alone. That's why we need bold actions and targeted measures to help businesses across Wales. There is potentially a real looming crisis, and it just seems that Labour isn't prepared to face the reality of the situation and to take the bold actions that we, particularly in Wales, need. Back Plaid Cymru for action on the cost of living crisis and to support our essential small businesses.